ولينا مجدو ولينا وليسو هيتا وحي ملحلك عديقي وليسو هيتا وليسو هيتا وحي ملحلك عديقي وليسو هيتا
عدكنينو ياهي حمان رادسو ياهي إمسان كحشوني عدكنينو ياهي حمان رادسو ياهي إمسان كحشوني مالما مكري halkii aan furaayaan horseed tegaya kollay kama haray halkii aan furaayaan horseed tegaya kollay kama haray
A pattern of teaching was building up inside the liberated zones. First, learn physically how to defend your gains. Godey, an Ethiopian airbase. Across bridges like this, Ethiopian armor could move swiftly to subdue the surrounding countryside. Godey was a military stronghold. Yet it was at Godey that the first encounter, reconstructed here, took place between the army of Ethiopia and the lightly armed but fiercely determined Western Somali Liberation Front. The Somali attack was a complete surprise. Defeated and demoralized, with no stomach to defend a land that wasn't theirs, Ethiopian troops surrendered by the score. What the Liberation Front had won, they were determined to hold. The land was theirs again. Straddling the fertile Shabelle River, Godey looks prosperous with its fine stone rest houses and Christian churches. But no Muslim Somali was offered one of these. Only the elite of the ruler's airbase. Godet was a beacon to the Ogaden. Once lit, it was not to be stamped out. Least of all in the children, to whom freedom gave the promise of growth without fear in a world now based on equality.